Dear friends, after spending 5 days in Vienna, Austria, today we are moving to Berlin, Germany, marking the 6th day of our Europe tour. The journey is around 700 kilometers, and it will take around 8 hours. However, as we are planning to stop at the Buzov Castle in Czech Republic, it may take 10 to 12 hours to reach our destination. In this journey, we are crossing Czech Republic and Poland. So join us on an incredible road trip from Vienna to Germany with a scenic detour through Poland. This journey will take us through Austria's beautiful Vienna woods and into the heart of Central Europe, showcasing everything from picturesque countryside to vibrant cities with rich history and culture. First, we are heading to See the Buzov Castle in Czech Republic. Before I explain about the castle, see whether you could remember these scenes from the famous TV series Cave of the Golden Rose.
You will die first.
You can't kill me. I'm already dead.
Very vulnerable.
This castle was used as a filming location for this TV series and many more films and fairy tale adaptations, making it a popular destination for history enthusiasts, architecture lovers, and fantasy fans alike. Buzov Castle is a captivating medieval fortress located in the Moravian region of the Czech Republic, not far from Olomouc. Originally built in the early 14th century, the castle has been carefully preserved and even expanded over the centuries, blending Gothic and Neo-Gothic architectural styles. Perched on a hill and surrounded by lush forests and rolling hills, Buzov has all the hallmarks of a fairy tale castle, with its tall towers, fortified walls, and dramatic silhouette. The castle is particularly famous for its striking appearance, with red-tiled rooftops, pointed turrets, and an imposing central tower.
Na Vilmu se dává všem lidu podanému 1024. Děkuji za pozornost. Díky, to vás velmi milé, děkuji vám. Na tom kolbišti mě můžete vidět a jsem fakt dobrý.
Inside, visitors can explore richly decorated halls, historical rooms, and exhibits that showcase medieval artifacts and furnishings. Guided tours lead guests through the night halls, armory, chapel, and even the dungeons, offering insight into the castle's history and the legends surrounding it. Many areas have been restored to capture the ambiance of its original design, and the guided experience often includes stories of the Teutonic Knights. The castle has a rich history of ownership, including the Teutonic Knights in the late 14th century, who transformed it into a fortress. It was later acquired by various noble families until it became state property after World War II. The interiors have been meticulously restored, showcasing historical furnishings, decorative art, and period artifacts. Key rooms include the Great Hall, Knights' Halls, Chapel, and Dungeons, each telling a part of the castle's history. Buzov Castle is steeped in legends, including tales of ghosts and treasures hidden within its walls. These stories contribute to its allure as a fairy tale destination. As we wrap up our unforgettable visit to Buzov Castle, it's time to say goodbye to this enchanting place. Surrounded by its majestic towers and steeped in rich history, Buzov truly felt like stepping into a fairy tale. From the stunning architecture to the captivating stories of knights and legends, every corner of this castle holds a piece of the past that has left us in awe. Now it's time to begin our journey back to Berlin. The drive is about 6 to 7 hours and we cross through Poland. So buckle up as we hit the road. Stay tuned for more adventures on our upcoming tour in Berlin. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable tour. I will see you soon with more videos on Beauty of the World.